Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, hello, you're welcome. Feel free to be part of this family. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using TCB leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair and to soften my hair. Recently my hair has become so stubborn, so I'm going by applying a leave-in conditioner to soften my hair. I guess this is the first step to do on a natural hair after you have washed your hair. Go by applying your leave-in conditioner of any choice. After massaging my natural hair, I'm going to be combing it out. For this tutorial, what I'm going to be doing is that I want to make my natural hair to be a kind of full and longer, having that natural hair texture. So I want this my own to multiply. So if this is what you want to see, then keep watching and see how it's going to look like. How I'm going to fake this my natural hair and do some wonders on it. Next is to section the part that I want to begin with. I'm going to cut out some hair from my front hair. After cutting out some part that I need, I'm going to be doing flat twist. You can do any twist you want. I just want a kind of hold the part that I've cut out for the next step. I'm going to make this video self-explanatory. In case I'm not talking, you will be able to understand what I'm doing. Well, in a second thought, I might still talk because yeah, I love my family. I want to carry you guys along. So if I'm talking, just grab what I'm saying. If I'm not talking, pay attention. This video is self-explanatory. Next, I'm going to be using my moisturizer, my hair moisturizer, to moisturize my hair. This step, what I'm doing is I'm doing my hair cornrow. I'm doing all the back cornrow apart from the front that I did flat twist, but at the front I decided to section out two parts from the front and do twist. With time you're going to know the reason why I'm doing this. So section out two parts and twist it out, and after the twist out I'm going to continue to do the cornrow. If you're wondering why this cornrow is not neat, I decided not to pay attention to the cornrow or the twist out. I just needed to just braid the hair, moisturize it well, because that's the goal. Yeah, I'm going to cover it. So this is how the back looks like. And now what I'm going to do is to use my crochet tool to start crocheting this afro kinky. Afro kinky has a texture of natural hair, so I'm going to crochet all this around my hair and show you guys how it's going to look like. Probably do some stuff to it to make it look more natural. After this step, definitely is going to be looking rough. Then I'm going to cut out excess hair that I don't want. Just cut it out, trim it out, and lose out the front part that I flat twist, because I want to make it to look natural. So lose out the twist at the front, lose out the flat twist, comb this out. I'm still going to be losing it out. I guess it doesn't look natural, so I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner to make it a kind of shrink back and look more natural. Then trim out some excesses that doesn't look nice on it, and after that I'm going to brush it out. The reason why I did the center part is that I wanted to wrap with my natural hair. If your hair is darker, you are going to enjoy it more. You can style it anyhow and brush it and moisturize it, and you are good to go. Yeah, if you have stayed to this moment and you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to be part of this family.